Hello, welcome to the 5th episode of I Get Eurovision. Today I've not the time, so I'll be very fast. Let's start with Birth of Play by Ziferblat, which represents Ukraine. Let's talk about the artist. Ziferblat is a Ukrainian band founded in 2015. The group has seen many changes, but is currently composed of the two brothers Lechinsky, with Daniel the vocalist and Valentin the guitarist. There is also the drummer Fedir Kalakov, which joined them in 2019. Initially, it was just to accompany them to the Ukrainian TV series X Factor, which seems to be a kind of The Voice. The group is inspired by American and British music of the 70s and the 80s like Kate Bush, Supertramp or Pink Floyd. In Ukraine, they have occasionally been compared to the Beatles and Queen. In an interview to Ziferblat in January, they called themselves as an art rock band, but they like to incorporate many styles in their tracks. As the entry of Poland, they also took part in their national selection last year, but they finished second. But how does the selection work in Ukraine? The Ukrainian selection is called Nationalny Vidbir, which means national contest. Vidbir was organized by both public broadcaster with Susplain and private television channel STB, which left organization in 2022. This year, by getting 9 points from the jury of music experts and 10 points from the audience, Ziferblat won with 19 points out of 20. But what is the song that made them win? The song Birth of Play is an allusion to the cult British songs of the 70s, Bird of Prey by Uriah Heep. The song is performed in the style of disco funk and hippie of the 60s and 70s, which reminds me the songs of the Japanese Fujikaze. This is an emotional reflection on modern Ukrainian realities, which deals with the pain of loss, homesickness, and faith in the future. The central symbol is a bird which personifies freedom, rebirth, and the expectation of changes. The chorus is in English and the verses are in Ukrainian. That's quite interesting. Let's talk about the issues of the language of the song. The first songs of Ziferblat were in Ukrainian. This wasn't a profitable choice at that time, but the musician with the war in Donbass, which begins in 2014, think that it was important to sing in their own languages. Their first song in English was only in 2024, last year, with Place I Call Home. From 2003, first Ukrainian participation at Eurovision, to 2018, all the songs of Ukrainian at Eurovision contain English. But since 2021, the year before the invasion of Russia, all the songs of Ukraine contained Ukrainian. The language is a vector of Ukrainian culture and Ukrainian nation and shows affirm their resistance against invasion. Ukraine won 3 times the contest. In 2004 with White Dances by Ruslana in English and Ukrainian. In 2016 with 1944 by Jamala in English and Crimean Tatar, a Ukrainian regional language. And in 2022 with Stefania by Kalush Orchestra, which was only in Ukrainian. This year they won with an incredibly support, probably due to the war, because yes, the votes at Eurovision are politics. Currently, Ukraine is 10th in the odds, but we'll see in May.